Little disclaimer before we get started. Watch out for the guns. They'll get you. So the door comes pre-assembled with the frame already mounted to the door. So you just want to line it up in the hole. Start on the hinge side. Make sure you got a good reveal on the top of the door. There's some orange plastic that you'll have to pop off. You'll see me do that in a second. You want to line up the side with the knob so that it closes close, but not too close. So you have a good seal. That just pops right off. Okay, right here I am grabbing the hardware for the doorknob.
Okay, back up. You do a good job filming here. Stand over here.
Telling them to back up.
See what I'm doing?
Too close. Okay, so I put the handle set in there, twist it. There's a little groove. It's got to go in a certain way. You want to do that before. Then they just go together. Make sure that they're facing the right direction.
Can you see what I'm doing?
Putting a set screw in the top. That's to hold that plate in. Then I'll realize in a second here I need to grab the key cylinder. So that just slides right in. Got to make sure that the knob is straight up so it goes in. Then you put the set screw in there and that'll hold that in place from going in and out. Light bulb. And you put the two screws on the other side. You don't want to put them too tight or the knobs, or the handles I should say, will get stuck.
You're going to be the
Just peeling off the stickers here.
be the filmographer here. So. Move around so you can see. And just stay stationary the whole time. People don't want to see the same.
Right here we're just pulling the stickers off for the customer. You want to try to peel them from just one side. Don't pull them too fast. That's what she said. Okay, I'm grabbing the hydraulic arm closer here. Comes with two brackets that mount on the door frame. You want to make sure you have it facing the right direction. See, I'm checking how it fits in there. The little U shape wants to be, you want facing away from the storm door. And then the first hole that's closest to the storm door, you do not want to put a screw in because that's what holds that little pivot arm. As you can see, I hold my screw gun upside down. It gets a little bit better leverage in this position. Also, a magnetic screw tip definitely helps with these screws because they do not like to stay on very well.
On the door.
Okay, there's a big pin and a small pin. Small pin goes in first. Big pin goes in second. Then 2 screws already pre-drilled on the door. You want to make sure you line that bracket up with where the screw holes are when you put that bracket on the frame as well, or it's going to be crooked.
Shut the door.
Not much to say through this part. Good news though. I switched the Geico. Save 10%. You're welcome.
Okay. Back up.
I rap and I rhyme and I rhyme and I rip. This is the way that Thailand speak. You too close, man. So right here now I'm adjusting the sweep. There's a little bit of a gap where you can see through, so we want to unscrew the set screw, push the sweep down, rescrew it. The right side has a set screw as well, so you want to adjust that. You don't want it too low or it'll drag, and you'll have to adjust the pivot arm. There's a little knob on the pivot arm, and you'll have to adjust it so the door pulls a lot harder, which you don't want to do. So I just got that done. And then you want to adjust. Looks like I'm doing one more adjustment there. You want to close it. Make sure it closes good. As you can see, it's way too slow. So I'm just adjusting the little knob on the pivot arm there. Checking to see that there's no gap. Sealed good. Now just adjusting so that the pivot arm closes properly. Not too fast, not too slow.
Pause. Wipe that with your finger. Huh? No. Okay. Alright, good. Back on. It's on. Okay, back up. Way too close. too close. Maybe like 2 feet more. 2 feet.
This is the hardware for the handle that pulls down the sliding glass door part where the screen is. Comes with 2 screws. You probably want to check to make sure they line up with the holes. It can be a little tricky, so you want to check right before you screw it.
Okay, come on out. Pause. Like that.
Okay, here we're installing the black plastic cover plate. There is a little channel that it goes in. You want to angle it inside of the left part of the channel if you're looking at it directly the way I'm installing it, and then push your finger on the other side from the top all the way to the bottom, and it will just snap right in place. You want to make sure you get the top lined up evenly on both sides so it's not in there crooked. It's about all that's left, so I'm going to give you a little sound effects here for your entertainment pleasure.
That way more.
Ooh. Zzz. Sorry, not sorry for the cringe-worthy comedy. Okay, that's all for the video today. Thank you so much. Comment, like, and subscribe. If you made it through this grueling video, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe.